Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Going to be working on the wife's Fiat 500. You've seen this on the channel before. Obviously it was a cat in. We replaced the door, had a lot of spray work done on it, timing belt etc, and got it working. It's due for its MOT. We took it the other day and it's failed. As you can see by parts here. We sorted out the advisories, which was the rear beam at the back here and the springs. And what I'll do is I'll just we tried to do some footage the other day, but we had camera issues, but we only got to like a before and after, so I'll just pop that in now. So if you saw from that video, we sorted the rear beam out. That's fine, that was okay when we did MOT, but we completely forgot to overlook, and it's a rookie mistake, we overlooked the front suspension on this one. It was weeping, and some bottom ball joints have gone, etc, so we're going to be sorting them out today. But as you can see, we've got poor weather, it's raining. We've got the K around at Carport already, which we will be working on next. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a bit of car movement and get this in garage. Obviously give us a bit of protection from elements and allow us to get this front end done. So hopefully we'll not have any camera issues today and be able to get some footage of us changing over the necessary bits that are wrong. But for the benefits of everybody out there, I'll just chuck an image now of the failure sheet so you can see exactly what it is that's gone wrong on this one. And obviously once we've got this sorted, we'll take it back up for its retest and hopefully come back with a year's MOT. I'll cut back in a bit. Alright guys, just cutting back in, bring garage, in dry. So, plan today, I'm going to take the suspension struts off. To do that, and I'm also going to change the drop links and these top mounts, which obviously you can see are a bit cruddy anyway. But obviously to do that, we need to undo these bolts here. So you need to undo this, and at the bottom, undo it at the top, drop it out. That's about it, isn't it? Yep. Yeah. So we'll cut in once we've got it off. Guys, just a quick cut in. Bit of a nightmare trying to get it off, but it's finally off. And as you can see, it is beyond foobarred. And if Dave just pushes down on it, in theory, A, it shouldn't be that easy to do that, but B, it should rise back up, and it's not. As you can see there, it's, well, previously it's leaking fluid, so that's the reason why we have to change it. Same time, top caps, what we've done, just got wire brush on that, cleaning that up, and these bolts, which are for that suspension mount, we're just cleaning these up on threads, making it easier to put bolts back in. We'll put it all back together, and we'll probably just file these the heads of this bolt down a little bit. But yeah, cut back in a bit. Quick update: the strut is now back together and just about ready to go onto curl. I'll just hand it over to Dave. I'll stick it on now, cut it in a bit. Alright guys, need to show you the other side because we were cracking on, but this is now passenger side, and as you can see, suspension strut is in, new drop link is in, and it's all back together. Just a little bit of swearing from Dave doing it, but yeah, all done. Just about to put wheel back on, drop it and take it out for a quick test drive. Hey guys, just to let you know, as you can see now, the Fiat 500 is now a pass, but even better is no advisories. So yeah, our error, the fact that we didn't look at the front suspension or anything like that prior to it and just concentrated on rear, but now it's all sorted. Another year's MOT, no advisories, bonus. Hi guys, poor weather, but as you'll have seen from that last bit of footage, the Fiat has now passed its MOT, so we're good for another year.
Right, today we are changing yet another shock absorber and drop link, but this time on a Fiesta 1.6 diesel. It's only done 131,000 miles on the original shockers, so I think it's about time they were changed. One shock absorber at last. And there we go. As if by magic. One shock absorber and one drop link.
Right guys, that kind of wraps up this video. So obviously what you've seen is yourself, we've got the Fiat through its MOT for another year, and Dave's obviously sorted his car out for a year. What we are going to be doing in future videos is, as you can see, the Passat is back with us. We now own it. The previous owner got in contact asking if we wanted to take it off their hands, and agreed a price, and we took it off their hands. So we've got this to sell, but before we do that, apologies guys, it's raining out here. We will be finally getting round to starting the KA. So the plan of attack on this one is we're going to do all the mechanical work first and get it through its MOT, and then we'll attack the bodywork and the interior and get it up for sale. If you remember, we've got rear beam to replace because that's what it failed on. Front suspension, yeah, I think it's front suspension. Remember rightly, it's front suspension on here that needs sorting out. We've got obviously the rear bumper, the bumper to replace. We're also going to change the timing belt on it and do a service, because we've got no evidence of when it was last done, so it's probably due, just for that peace of mind. So yeah, this will be hopefully the next video that we'll be doing. So if you do like these videos, give us a like, click subscribe for those of you that have done so far. Appreciate the support. But yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.